Hi, this short video is meant to show you how you can actually add additional classes to your TenMarks account over and above what your district has set up for you. What you're looking at is my TenMarks homepage where I look at all of my classes. And this year, for the first time, many districts are using an automated system called Clever to pre-populate your classes for you. That give you all of the roster information for your students directly from your student information system. The challenge with this kind of an approach is that sometimes the groupings that you'd like to have inside of your class are different than what the district sets up for you in your master schedule. So if for any reason you need a more flexible grouping situation, you can follow these 3 steps. Create a class, add existing students to the class, and then email us at implementation@tenmarks.com for an upgrade to premium status. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. This is especially useful for special ed or for combo classes or classes where you might be sharing students with another teacher at your school. So you'd start by simply adding a class. And if this is going to be a class, let's say I'm teaching with Mrs. Smith, I might say Florent Smith combo. And then I would choose on my next screen, rather than adding new students, I would want to add existing students. And this is so that this new flexible class is going to be in addition to the class that my students have either with me alone or with Mrs. Smith. What you'll do here is you'll click to add existing student, and you do require the username and password. What I recommend, if you don't already have this handy, and I probably should have gotten this ready to go, but in my 6th grade class, I might have wanted to just look at my class roster and download that roster. You can see, let's look at the 4th grade where I have more students. You can see that I have my students here, and if I just simply cut and paste Jackie and I put her here, and then I grab her password, I'm just cutting and pasting a little bit here, and I add her here. I click add student, and now she's been added to my class. And this does take a few steps, but if you're working with a partner, I would say just have them download their roster and then email it to you, because on that roster sheet, if you're looking at that here, you do have all of the student usernames and passwords. And so it's a pretty straightforward process to just cut and paste those students into my new class. Now, I do want to also show you that what it will look like from a student perspective. So I'm going to do one last thing. I'm actually going to change Jackie's password. This is one of my favorite tricks. I like to just make the usernames and passwords the exact same. But when I log out of my teacher account and I log back in as Jackie, what you'll notice is that she now has 2 classes. She's got the 4th grade class that she was in originally, and now she has the Florent Smith combo. It is also very helpful that on this front page, when they're choosing which one to go to, they can see whether there's any current assignments in there. I think that would be it, other than the last step is to simply email us implementation@tenmarks.com for a premium upgrade. Until such time as you do that final step, the class that you have created would only have free features, because all TenMarks classes, when they're newly created, start out their existence as free, and we'll upgrade that for you if you're a premium district, and then you should be all set to go. And this concludes our video on how to set up flexible groupings. Thanks so much.